Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to open your Pocket Option account. And first of all, you're going to click the link below this video and it's going to take you directly to Pocket Option. And from there, let's get started. So we are here at Pocket Option and it's going to bring you something like this. So when you are here, you are going to click on Skip Intro and you come to this side. And you see, let me click it back so that you see this corner here that is showing a woman kind of stuff. So you click on it, then you come to registration under it. You can see trading, finance, profile, markets, achievements, help, English. We click on registration. So after it has brought us here, we're going to register our email. We're going to input our password. So let me try and add email clarabridge at gmail.com. Then I'm gonna add a password. So then I'm going to click on I have read and accepted the following agreement and I'm going to sign up. So after I have signed up, it's going to bring me back to pocket option. So guys, it has brought me back to my pocket option and pocket option is going to send the Gmail to you. Make sure you confirm it. So this is my pocket option account. So I'm going to come to this side, these three dots by this USD JPOTC. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click on this. I think it was online before. You're always going to be online. So you click on candles. So mine is already on candles. So if you click on candles, it's going to be something like this for you. Then after this, you are going to come here back again. Then you are going to come to your profile. Then after coming to your profile, you're going to go under trading profile. So it's loading. So under your trading profile, you're going to see something called UID, which means your unique identification. So there's one number at the front. You're going to copy the number and keep. Yes, copy the number and keep and send to me. After opening your pocket option account and you want to start trading and you don't know how to go about it, if you like the results you are seeing right now in this video, don't hesitate to click the link below this video. You see a Telegram group I drop. You can join us to get started. Thanks for watching.